Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. So today I am planning to plant my daffodil bulb and tulips here in this box under the arbor. So right now we have some annual plants in here that is still blooming, which is the snapdragon, but the rest are all going. Like this zinnia right here, it's all done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all of these plants so that I can start digging my hole and plant some daffodils and tulips. As you can see, both sides of this arbor has a rose. I just add mulch on the bottom of it. And then there's another rose on this opposite side as well, which is growing nicely. So I am adding actually more mulch to protect it for winter. Alright, so join me as I planted these bulbs, and I want to show you the type of bulbs that I'm planting. So in this box right here, so we have the tulips. There's 25 pink tulip bulbs in here, and it's cost me 11 bucks only. And then I have 2 bags of daffodil. So this bulb produces at least 90 flowers year after year. I have 60 bulbs in each bag. So that's a lot of daffodil. There's another one right here. There's another bag right here. So we're all going to plant this daffodil all over the garden here in the backyard. Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning now this box, and we'll show you the whole process of planting these bulbs. So here is the tulip bulbs. This is the pink roses tulips. So basically when you place it on the soil, make sure that the flat bottom is on the bottom and the pointed top is on the top. So here this is where the roots grow. And this is the daffodil. The same thing with the daffodil, make sure that the flat bottom is on the bottom. You see the roots right here, and this is the pointy top. It has to be placed on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix the pink tulips and the mixed daffodil in this box right here. Now it's all cleaned. I have pulled all the flowers or plants that's on it, and it's time to plant them. So when I planted my bulbs, I usually just make a hole and make sure that the depth of the hole is 3 times of the bulbs, and that's just what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna space them and just mix the tulips and the daffodil, and hopefully it will come out next spring nicely. So I just finished planting my daffodil bulbs in this box, and I've added mulch on top of it. This mulch we got it for free, and this will help all the plants in this box to winterize, especially the roses right there in both corners. And it's all done. I can't wait for the next spring to see all these flowers grow in this box. That's all for today, and I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.